Hello everybody, I'd like to take the chance to talk to you today about some of the solutions we have with Xtirpa to essentially solve the same problem. So here you can see the 610 hitch mount with a small base. We've mounted it this side of the handrail and run it underneath. So here we have the mast, the 610 davit set at its lowest setting, and normally we'd fit an SRL or a winch onto here. Here we have the fixed floor base, so this would normally be bolted into the floor, and if you have a lot of applications, it would mean that you could move it from place to place rather than having to install bases. You would just install the fixing. From there, we could also use it for the vehicle hitch, exactly the same, or we could use it with a counterweight, or we could even mount it off the wall here as well. So we have lots of options for there to enter into this pit. Moving forward, we then have the pole hoist. So with the pole hoist here, all we're trying to achieve is a vertical entry. So we've rigged a temporary anchor point. Normally we obviously wouldn't use this, but it's just for illustration. And again, you would fit an SRL or a winch onto here, and it would just go vertically down into the pit. The pole hoist is telescopic, and so is the T-bar, so it means we've got options to adjust for different heights. But it means, again, we can solve into the same pit. And then from there, we have the guardrail. So we're fitted on there, and again, you would fit it here. We've got the stabilizer, and it means with the 30-degree working cone, we can actually get to that ladder. So it provides the safe system of work for entry, and also in worst case scenario, rescue as well. So 3 pieces of equipment, potentially 4 or 5 different solutions, let alone we also have a fixed base options. We can solve all of this in many different ways. You might even have this equipment already for use elsewhere, and to find it that can be solved for this problem. Many thanks.